Hi, I'm David from Fisch Moto, and I'm here to introduce you to the Fisch Moto Sparkarrestor. Some of the key features of our Sparkarrestor: universal fit, tailpipe size range of 20 to 45 millimeters or 0.8 to 1.8 inches. Will fit any round exhaust, less than 15-minute installation time, and no disassembly of the tailpipe required. All stainless steel and a quality component manufactured in BC, Canada. And now, I'll show you how to select the correct size Sparkarrestor. First by measuring the tailpipe, then by preparing the Sparkarrestor, and finally, the installation on the exhaust. This is a 2016 CRF 250R with an FMF exhaust. The tailpipe diameter we measure on this bike is a 42.4 millimeter opening. Now that we have our tailpipe size of 42.4 millimeters, we can select the appropriate size of Sparkarrestor. We have chosen the Kit 40. Included with our kit is the Allen key for installation, set screws with Loctite, and of course, the Sparkarrestor. Now that we have our set screws started in the hole and Loctite applied, we ensure that the set screws do not protrude the outer diameter. And now, installing the Sparkarrestor in the exhaust. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, shoot us an email. Also, check out our website and give us a follow on Instagram.